Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This wig is from NEEKO Beauty on ALIEXPRESS. This should be a highlight wig. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. I have just been looking for a really good highlight wig on ALIEXPRESS. 28 inches, 13 by 4, but we gotta open this package and see what's up. So I'm going to go ahead and open this package, but before we do, I'm going to remind you all to remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so y'all, this is like my first video with my tree up. I have 3 trees. This is like the fun tree. Like Target has so many cool decorations right now. But back to this wig. So the wig I'm wearing right now is my 40-inch wig from Yawn Hair. It's still going strong. I love it, love it, love it. But let me read to you all the specs of this wig. It is from NEEKO Beauty official store. 613 1B highlight 28 inch. So I thought it was gonna be silver. It's the 613 and 1B, so we'll see if it's legit. 28 inches, 13 by 4, 180% density, and it was $250. So let's go ahead and open this package. I had actually never heard of this company before, so I'm like, I hope this is good. I hope it's legit. I hope it's given. So let's see what we have here. Oh, they got that little branding on the box. Bam, bam. NEEKO Beauty. Let's see. Ooh, it's giving. So what? Just looking at their color pattern, like you can see, it's actually a 613 and 1B. So I've recently ordered a wig from Kiss Love that was supposed to be like a highlight wig, but every company does that 4/27 highlight thing to where it's like no 1B color in it. So that's really what I'm looking for. I like 1B highlight with like 1B with some kind of like lighter color or something. So this is legit. So oh y'all, my birthday is coming up. I'm happy. I'm very happy right now. Like I feel like y'all can sense my energy change when I actually like the hair, and I'm happy with it. But my birthday is coming up, so I ordered a few wigs. I ordered some from Wow Angel and stuff, but I just wasn't sure about this company because I never tried it before. But I'm happy that this wig is actually 1B and the highlight pattern looks good. Like it's not choppy, just looking at it through the bag. So comes with a wig cap, most wigs do. Let's see what we have here. Let me take it out of the little netting. I'm happy that this is actually a 1B, y'all. Like, oh, this is cutesy. This is cutesy. It's not, let me measure this because it doesn't seem like 28, but I'm not used to 28 inches anymore because I usually get like 34 inches. But this is really cute though. Like I like it. I love highlight like this. So let's look at the wig. So this is actually a real 13 by 4. So a lot of companies give you like 2 inches of lace on the side, 2 inches of lace on the side, and then 4 inches in the middle. This is actually 13 by 4 all the way through. So I do like that. The lace is transparent. It's not HD, but I mean, I'm happy with that. It wasn't advertised as HD or anything. So as long as they didn't lie to me. But as far as this hair coloring, like I got a good wig one day from Mega Look that was like blonde and black. And I've been trying to get that same hair color on, I've been trying to find a wig that was colored like that on AliExpress. So far this is the best one I've seen. Like I love this. This might have to be my birthday wig because I just love this highlight. It's something different, it's cutesy, it's fun. So this actually is 613 1B. You don't get that enough. Like a lot of times companies be lying. So I'm happy. I'm very happy. Now, I don't know. Now it's like, I don't know how I want to have my hair for my birthday anymore. Because I was sure I'd just do like 1B. But this is cute. Like, this is giving. This is fun. I like it. don't know, I might have to switch wigs in the middle of the trip or something. I like this. Let me get my measuring tape so we can actually see what we're working with over here, because we don't know right now. But I'm pretty happy with it. Like, I had never heard of this company. I was just like, I want a nice highlight wig, because y'all ask me about highlight wigs, but like, I don't review them very much. It's just, it's very hard to find like a good one on AliExpress sometimes. So let's see what the length is talking about. So unstretched, the wig goes to, oh, so it is 28 inches, but not stretching the wig at all, it goes to 26 inches. But okay, so when I stretch it, we get about 28 to 30. Got some strands that's hitting the 30, but it's about 28, 29 inches. So it is true to length, y'all. So I was tripping. I just am not used to having hair this short, but all in all, it looks so cute. Like, I like this. Like, if y'all watch Love Island like me, India, I love like her little blonde patch she always has. I'm like, I kind of want to, I miss the little black and blonde look. Like, this is cute. This would be so fun, I feel like. And it's something different. Like, I've had my hair black for so long, it feels, well, no, I just had ginger. It feels like I've been black. Like, whenever it's my birthday, I like to kind of switch to something I haven't been doing. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. But the wig came super fast, you guys. It took about a week or a little less than a week. I love it, y'all. I really do like it. And I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots and do all that. Play with it a little bit, but I like this. This is fun. So let me stand up for y'all. I know the camera is not gonna show much, but I'm 5'7", so the wig will come about right there on me. Like, it will touch my butt, which I do like. And the thickness is pretty good. Like, it's 180. Like, this isn't thin at all. It's so cute though. I love the way they colored this wig here. Like, I'm obsessed. I really like it. I don't know what I want to do now, because this is cutesy. Now I'm pretty confused about how I actually want my hair. My only concern is that the lace is like thick. Seems like a little thick. I'm so used to HD lace now that this thicker lace, I'm like, I don't know. When I actually bleach the knots, I can see how quickly the knots lift and see if this hair is really good or not. But y'all, I love the way they colored this hair. Like, this looks good. This looks really nice. This looks really nice. I'm not getting, well, what, that one thing. Here's the little shedding, one little strand there. It's not a lot of shedding or anything like that. So I'm happy. This is cute though. Looking at the inside of the wig, it has some stretch. We'll see if this fits on my head, but I love it, love it, love it, you guys. My camera is dying right now, so in the next video, I'll actually have this wig on and review it. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @MadamBrittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.